I try to stay positive, but we have lived through supply chain disruptions and some unprecedented times, and there might be some more to come. So I am very happy to know that I can find this free source of wild food out there. It gives me peace, and it's just fun to find stuff like this. It unlocks a whole other world that you didn't even know was there. Today on my walk, I saw a leaf like this underfoot, and then an acorn, and then another acorn, and then so many acorns. After doing a quick internet search and consulting some field guides, I found out that the tree I was looking at and the acorns from it are from a white oak. Quercus alba, otherwise known as white oak, is native to eastern and central North America. These trees can get to be 100 feet tall and can live a really long time, with some notable specimens being dated at around 600 years old. They can start producing acorns as early as around 20 years old, but they don't get a big crop of acorns until they get into their 50s and higher. Even though eating acorns is less common now, they have a long history as a valuable food source. But they do require some processing. The first step is gathering your acorns. Don't take any that still have the cap on or that have holes in them. Avoid ones with cracks or blemishes, and when you take them home, start by doing a float test. That is, you put them in a bowl of water, and the bad nuts will rise to the surface and the good nuts will sink to the bottom. Discard the floaters, and then crack open the outer shell. If they look uniform in color, like a raw almond on the inside, then you're good to move to the next step, which is leaching out the tannins. Tannins are a bitter compound, and they're not inherently dangerous, although eating a lot of them can cause some stomach upset. So to leach these out, I used the boiling method because I'm impatient. I boiled my acorn nuts 6 times. With a fresh change of water each and every time. You can actually see the water turning clear, and that's how you know the tannins are coming out of the nuts. When the water is clear or close to clear, they should be about as good as they're going to get. Acorns. Yes, you can eat them. All oak tree acorns are technically edible. Well, we'll see about that. The lady who wrote this book is nuts. So here we are, moment of truth, my 6 times boiled acorn nut meats. Okay. They're not good, but they're not bad either. And this is not the kind of thing that you would just eat like this. Now, maybe you could. Maybe if you toasted them with some oil and some seasonings, they would be more palatable. But the typical use for these is to grind them into a flour and use that flour in with your baked goods. They do have almost a woody kind of a flavor to them. And the texture is similar to chestnuts, so kind of dry. So yeah, the flavor's kind of woody, kind of nutty. Okay, I'll be honest, the more I'm snacking on them, the more I kind of am enjoying the flavor. I like some weird flavors though, so don't take my word for it. If you're ready to discover all the weird, wild, and edible foods near you, I wrote you a book for that. It is called Ecopunk Foraging, How to Use Wild Plants for Food, Medicine, and Crafts by Melanie Weird. It's available on Amazon.